So, the Wu and Lee family are together in Vegas right now, and it is like, what time is it? 5 something? 5:30 a.m. And we're trying to sleep, but we can't. That is why. This is Mindy. Say hi, Mindy.
Hi.
You can't see anything.
Steven's on the floor.
Steven's on the floor.
Like a boss. On the floor like a boss.
And us three are on the bed together. Yeah. And we're trying to sleep, but we can't. I think they stopped. What are we doing now? I don't know. We can go on a sleep. Bye. Bye. Bye.